Hello my dear lovely viewers, today you are again welcome to my YouTube channel and this is Public Learner. So guys, today I have met and I have found a course for you, that is 91 days session for a spoken English course. So I mean today you are very well, and so most of the time we know about the many things but we don't have to know about the verb have. So today I will talk about the have verb, and this verb is more important. Mostly you can use the English sentences. So don't skip the video after, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. That's how you can get the video first, and soon you will be knowing about the spoken class, and this is the spoken master class. So guys, you are again welcome to my spoken master class, and this is all about 91 days session. So this is day 1 for you, and I must talk about the have verb, and this verb will be more important, will be more applicable to use in your daily life and daily basis. So first I'll talk about the indefinite mood to use have verb. Okay, first if I say present indefinite, like I have a cat, this is called present indefinite, right? I have a cat, I have a computer, you must talk with me. I have a computer, I have a cat, I have a chair, I have a mobile phone, I have a camera, I have a house, I have football, I have a cricket ball. In this way, which things you have, which things does belong to you, which things does that belong to you, you must say have. And this is the best thing, and this is the huge thing that you will know about. And after this class, your doubt must be cleared. Okay, so don't skip the video, go to the topic again. So in this way, like I have watch, I have camera, I have spectacle. You can see this is called spectacle. Okay, I have a bike, I have a scooty, and lots of things just you can express using have. You can see on the screen that the formula of have verb, like subject plus present form plus object or extension. Okay, I mean you got it, because subject, if you say he, so you must tell has, don't say have. Okay, because he is a third person singular number, that's why you must praise and you must say has. If you say they, so you need to tell here have. Okay, if you say we, you must need to tell here have. Okay, like you, we, they, and any plural number that could be third person. Okay, Ram and Sita have their house. Okay, Ram and Sita have their house or houses. Okay, here Ram and Sita both singular uses here with a single conjunction. Okay, Ram is a single noun and Sita is a single noun. Both are added here using the conjunction, and that's why this sentence is plural. This sentence expresses the plural subject. So let's jump into the next topic. And if you use this have verb in the past tense, so you must tell had. Have or has in the past tense, you must say had. So if you find yourself something else in the past, so you must say had. I had a bottle, I had a computer, I had a table, I had a chair, I had a house, I had a big cat, had a big bat. In this way, you can express in the past tense. Okay, guys, you don't skip the video, because this is not the end of the video. That's why you need to watch whole the video and next part of the video. Why? Yes, I must say that. You know, this is not the end, and that's why I must say the question pattern. This is the assertive pattern and the statement pattern. How do you express yourself in the assertive pattern using have verb? And I have already told, but a few more, so let's get into that. I had a few friends, I had much money, I had some vegetables to eat today. In this way you can express, and in every person you can use had, like they had their house, they had a garden to pluck flowers, they had a mango garden. They had a platform to make earn something. They had some kind of places there they can find themselves. They had a calendar, they had a microphone, they had a car, they had a toy car. The child had a thing. The child had basket. In this way, you can express have in the past tense. So I must say that this is the middle of the video, and you must talk about, and I must talk about the future tense and how will we imagine, how will we express have verb in the future tense. Actually, the future tense is like an imagination. In this video, I must try to clarify about the future indefinite tense and indefinite mode. Let's jump into the topic. This is shall and will. You must precede the have verb. I will have a cat. That means in future you must take a cat for you. Okay, you will have basket. Okay, to plant flowers. You will have a monkey to rear. You will have a pussycat to rear. You will have a dog to rear. You will have a phone to make call someone. You will have a camera to record videos. You will have everything. You will have everything in future if you want to practice this language carefully. Okay, so I mean you got it. So in this way you will express yourself in the present indefinite tense, future indefinite tense, and so on, past indefinite tense, and the next mode continues. So I am having a good time. I am having a good time. Here you must see on the screen that subject plus am is a plus verb ing, verb plus ing, next object or extension. Object must not important here. Okay, must not be important here. So in this way, if you are new in this channel, so you must subscribe and press the bell icon there so you can get my video first. And in this session, you are again welcome to the next part of my video. Okay, so don't skip the video. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe with your friends and family. That's why they must know like you about to use the have verb. A bottle. I'm having rice. Here have means to eat something, right? So I'm having potato. That means I'm eating potato. I'm having some food. I'm having vegetables. I'm having an apple. That means I'm eating an apple. I'm eating an apple. This is very correct, and this is most important thing and important notes to learn this language. So guys, let's jump into the next topic. That's called past continuous tense, not past continuous. This is called past continuous tense. If you want to learn the British pronunciation and the American pronunciation, my dear lovely video viewers, you have to subscribe and share this video and just comment below. That's why I must know about your passion to know the language, to know the English language clearly. I'm not a great man, I'm not a great teacher, but I must ensure you that I must take you in the next level that you are going to do. I must take you in the next level, and I must do that if you want to learn this language more carefully. So if you are new in this video, so you must share. So let's jump into the next topic. That's called I was having a tea shop. I was having some kinds of alcohol. I was having some kinds of drinks, right? It could be cold drinks, it could be water, lots of things you can find. I was having a phenomenal thing in our life, and the basic life we must tell about that. So this is the normal use of the past tense, future continuous tense. Okay, and in this way you must use have verb. Okay, I will be having a mobile phone. I will be having a pet dog. I'll be having a mobile phone. I'll be having camera. I'll be having a bike. I'll be having a plane in future. I'll be having a Rolls Royce. Definitely Rolls Royce. So I mean you got it, and today I must recap the video. That's why you can use most of it and most of the video if I recap this one. So I must do that. So let's jump into the next part and you need to know the diagram about the have verb. Okay, I have like this pronunciation: I have a computer, I had a computer, I will have a computer, I'm having a computer. So guys, here in continuous and present, a lot more example like I had a computer, I had a camera, I have a camera. Past and present. I had a television, I don't have a television. Guys, this is the negative part of this video. I have already told you that I must talk to you about the all things about have verb. Okay, now negative part of this video. Number one, I have a computer. That means the computer belongs to me. In the negative, I must say I don't have a computer. And in the past, I had a computer, and the negative way, I must say I didn't have a computer. Okay, if I say he has a computer, in the past he had a computer, and in the present the negative, he doesn't have a computer. Don't say he doesn't has a computer. Okay, you must say he doesn't have a computer, and in the past he didn't have a computer. Okay, I must you got it. And in the future, the negative part, you must say I will have a computer. So you say here I will not have a computer. Or if you say he will have a computer, you must say in the negative part he won't have or will not have a computer. In this way, you have to use have verb in the negative, in the positive, or affirmative. Or ask the question about. Okay, so have a kind of you can find the do verb. There is a single difference. Not I don't say the lots of difference. I mean, in the British English, you must say, do you have a computer, or does he have a computer? In the American English, has he a computer? In the past tense, had he a computer? In the British English, did he a computer? Did he a computer? Look at this. Did he a computer? So in this session, I mean, you got it. How do you ask about have verb? So here I have already told you that how to ask question like, do you have a computer? You must answer, yeah, I have. Okay, in the negative answer, no, I don't. No, I don't. Okay, no, I don't. So in this way and in this session, you are now qualified and more educated about the have verb. If you have any question, and if you had any question before, I mean, you have already solved. You have already been solved by this video. So guys, if anyone in the channel is new, so I request you must subscribe and press the bell icon. This is the day 1, and you will get the day 2, the next part of this video. And 91 this session, this is the day 1, and you are going to learn the day 2 about the verb, and that class is going to be more important. Okay, so don't miss the class. Everybody should join this class and should join this session, just 91 days. Okay, I must complete the whole course. This is the master spoken class part 1 with have verb has completed. Okay, so guys, take care of yourself till the next video. Tada.